If you are unable to hide the cash on delivery option for some individual products on your Shopify store, then this video will help you to do it. I will share the step-by-step process how to do it very easily. So let's begin. At first, you need to select those products on which you want to hide the cash on delivery. For this, go to the products and select the product. Then add a tag. You can also change the product name. After that, save this. Go to the advanced cash on delivery app which I installed from the Shopify App Store. You can also install this. After installing, go to the advanced payment rules. Then create a new payment rule. Give a title, create a new condition, select the condition product tag, operator in the list. Then in the value, add the tag. Then add the action, hide payment method. Then give the payment method name. Then active the status and save this. Now go to the online store. If I select that particular product, you can see the cash on delivery option is unavailable. But if I select another product, then you can see the cash on delivery is available. So in this way, you can do it very easily. If you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.